This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Stephen Schultz. Imagine relaxing outdoors, savoring the crisp, refreshing air while enjoying your favorite coffee. Picture the joyful sounds of your children laughing and splashing in the pool, fully immersed in their play. The Heatherwood community offers this idyllic lifestyle and more. Within this charming neighborhood, you'll discover a stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom pool home nestled in a private cul-de-sac. This meticulously maintained single-owner residence features vaulted ceilings and a versatile converted bedroom den. The split floor plan allows for a serene retreat, complete with a luxurious jacuzzi bath and upgraded tile and laminate flooring adorned with intricate glass inlays. The completely remodeled master bathroom boasts a beautifully designed vanity countertop, a true sanctuary for more.